In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Gimp. By the end, you'll know how to bend your text along a smooth curve using a built-in filter, and how to save the final image for sharing or printing. Start by opening Gimp, then either create a new image or open an existing one you want to work on. If you're starting from scratch, set a canvas size that fits your design and pick a background that makes your text easy to see. A solid color works well for practice, while a transparent background is great if you plan to place the curved text over other graphics later. Next, select the Text tool from the toolbox. It looks like a capital T, and click anywhere on your canvas to type. Before you type, choose your font, size, and color in the tool options, so your text is already styled the way you like. You can always highlight the text to tweak these settings after typing. Make the text large enough to show the curve clearly, and drag the text box to roughly position it where you want the curve to appear. Keep your text on a single line if you want a clean, even bend. Now, go to Filters, then Distorts, and click Curve Bend. This opens a dialog with a preview and a curve line. If Gimp warns that your text layer will be modified to apply the effect, confirm to proceed. In the Curve Bend window, you'll see a line with adjustable points. Click to add points and drag them to shape the curve. The top or bottom curve options let you decide which edge influences the bend. Use the preview to judge how dramatic or subtle the curve looks, and aim for smooth transitions so letters don't look overly compressed or stretched. If something looks off, adjust the points gently or reset and try a simpler arc. Small movements often make a big difference. When the curve looks right, click OK to apply it. Take a moment to zoom in and check for readability, especially around tight bends, and make minor adjustments by undoing and reapplying if needed. Finally, save your work by going to File and choosing Export As. Pick a file name and a format that fits your needs. PNG is a great choice for crisp text and transparency. JPEG works well for lightweight files on the web. In the Export dialog, confirm quality settings and click Export. That's how to curve text in Gimp. Subscribe for more simple tutorials.